Now, this is a car you don't see very often. It's a Defender 110 D250S, but it has 6 seats from factory. So 3 seats in the front, 3 seats in the rear. It's a 25 plate. It's only done delivery miles, around 200 miles, and it is VAT qualifying. So that will appeal to some of you that are out there. The colour is Santorini black. It's then got the black pack. It's also had the extended black pack done to the bumpers as well. So the badging, all in that stealth exterior. Cold climate pack, which gives you heated jet washers as well as a heated steering wheel. You've then got the upgraded wheels, 20-inch satin grey 5 spokes from factory. Fixed side steps. It's also got a sliding pan roof. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a glimpse of the front set of 3 seats. Now, if you don't have a daily use for the 3 or the middle seat, you can pop that down as an armrest. You have 2 cup holders and USBs. With it being a 25 model, you have the larger screen. You have different features and colours on the interior that you wouldn't have had previously. It's a slightly different layout. We sell loads of 110s because of the amount of rear space that you have, as well as the boot space, and they're an incredibly good looking car, very cool exterior, and people love them because not only do they look cool, they're also very practical. Fixed side steps, rear spoiler, and a full size spare wheel cover. The boot space I was talking about just a second ago, there it is. The extended black pack continues to the rear as well, so rear bumper would usually be silver, but that's been done in gloss black as well. With it being the new Model S, you have features like leather seats opposed to copper upholstery, so if you have a look from this side, it'll give you a better glimpse at how that looks. We've also gone for all-terrain tyres as well, so perfect for any type of scenario, really. I'll start with something. It's got 280 miles. The cold climate pack on the exterior gives you heated jet washers, and on the interior gives you heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise lane keep assist. They're all linked together on this side of the steering wheel. Sliding pan roof, so come as standard without a roof whatsoever. Then you get a fixed one, and then you can opt for the sliding one. This one has a sliding pan roof. Makes a huge difference in the summer. Huge tablet display, has navigation, media, telephone, and importantly your 360 camera system. Climate control, heated seats, all controlled from this section. The jump seat and the seat position looks like that, and it's dead straightforward too. So now you've got 3 people in the front, so perfect for those families who might have different amount of people coming at different times. Means you can carry 6. Very rare you can get a 6-seater, but then instead of having a 7-seater and using up your boot space, you've got 6 people in total plus your boot space at the back. So it's a very, very practical and rare vehicle. So if you are having a look and compare it to others, make sure you're looking for the 6-seat configuration. This one is going live, VAT qualifying, delivery miles, registered on a 25 plate. So any questions, queries, feel free to come back to me direct. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.